sway bar bushings. You've got 2 mounting bolts here and the same identical setup on the other side, on the driver's side. 15mm socket. You're going to need to take the other side out. Just easy to do them both at the same time. So now you're going to take the bracket, just pull down on it, get it out of the way, and take the bushing off. There's a split in it. You see it right there. Sometimes if they're too petrified, you might have to take a razor and cut them. This has some give to it, so we're going to pull that right off. At this point, you want to check the bar out, the sway bar itself. You want to make sure that it's not corroded and missing any metal. Whenever I install sway bar bushings, I always put dielectric grease or a silicone paste on the rubber where it meets the metal sway bar. It just helps with wear and tear. So there's the split. We're just going to do our best to start it, and then it will just slide right on. Just like that. Do the same to the other side before you put the bracket on and lift it up. Seat the bracket onto the new bushing. Try to get it to seat. You might need a pair of channel locks. And do the same to the other side. There we go. Now I'll get the bolts ready. So now I have a pole jack holding the sway bar up and just a pry bar manipulating the centering of the bolt. I'm just going to start it by hand. Start your back bolt by hand. Once it's started, bottom it out.